Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to get monetized on TikTok. So there are several ways how to get monetized on TikTok, and the first one is Creator Rewards program. So you can earn money by producing original videos over 1 minute in length, and basically this Creator Rewards program is based on video performance. So here matter your views. But there are some requirements that you should meet if you want to get paid under that program. And the first one is that you should be at least 18 years old. Also, you should have a minimum of 10,000 followers. And also, you must accumulate at least 100,000 video views in the past 30 days. And once you meet all the criteria, you can apply through the Creator Monetization Center inside the TikTok application. The second way how we can get monetized on TikTok is live streams. So go live and receive virtual gifts from viewers, which later can be converted into real money. But again, there are some requirements that you should meet to access basically live feature. And the first one is that you should be at least 18 years old and you should have a minimum of 1,000 followers. And of course, ensure compliance with TikTok's community guidelines. To start a live, go to the open your camera. This is plus sign at the bottom center of your screen, and here scroll through the options until you see live option and basically tap go live button. Okay, this is TikTok lives, and also TikTok shop. This is another way how you can get paid on TikTok. So sell products directly through your videos using TikTok shop, but of course there are some requirements. You should be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 1,000 followers, and you should ensure that your account is in good standing. You can set up your shop through the TikTok Shop Seller Center. That were the main ways how you can get monetized on TikTok. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.